Everybody, thanks for joining in. I'm Dr. Joan Sloss, the medical massage therapist at Healing Unleashed of Lakewood, Colorado, and this is one of my clients, Sandy.
Hi, everybody.
So Sandy and I are here to share a testimony with you about how wonderful and how powerful lymphatic drainage massage is. So Sandy, a couple weeks ago, you came to see me with a swollen gland. Why don't you tell us about that?
I had a gland that was almost a golf ball here, and it hurt. It was so swollen, and it hurt. So I had been to the doctors, and I called Joan, called you, and I said, I've got this gland. What do you think?
So Sandy came into the office, and the doctor had diagnosed a swollen parotid gland. Sandy, you were upset because you were just about to get on an airplane and head for Hawaii, right?
Yes, I had about a week, and they had told me it would take 2 weeks or maybe 3 to go down.
So that's when I was happy because I was able to look Sandy in the eyes and say, oh, I don't think it'll take 2 or 3 weeks. If we do the lymphatic drainage massage, I think we can get this to be normal within about 3 days.
Right, you did. And you gave me a massage, worked on both of my the lymph glands on both sides, and it softened up really well. And by the time we were finished, it was almost all gone. It didn't hurt at all, even when you massaged this that hadn't been hurting.
And Sandy, were you surprised? Because I remember looking at you and we were laughing and sad at the same time. And I said, it looks like you have mumps because you were so swollen on the right side.
Yeah.
Were you surprised that even though the swelling was right around the ear, that I did so much work on the upper chest and that area?
Yes, I was, yeah. But I shouldn't have been because you do such marvelous things that I shouldn't have been surprised.
Well, and that's right. So the flow of the lymph fluid was actually being blocked more in the chest area. And the fun part for both of us was during a 1-hour lymphatic drainage massage to watch that swelling come down. Now, it wasn't completely down at the end of the session, but within 3 days, you were completely normal, right?
Oh, yeah, I was completely normal, and I was really thankful to you.
Well, Sandy, I thank you for giving this testimony so that other people can learn about how wonderful lymphatic drainage massage is. It's a wonderful option if you have sinusitis, or if you have an infection, or you're getting a cold or a flu, or if you have a swollen gland or something like that. So learn about lymphatic drainage massage. Go online and find a good medical massage therapist in your area that you can see when these kinds of problems pop up. Thank you again for joining in.
Thank you.